Welcome back to CountyLine TV. Today is the day. Today is drift day. We got a lot done yesterday and this morning, early this morning. Unfortunately, we didn't get everything done. And it's a huge bummer that Dalton doesn't get to drive with us today. He's still going to come down and hang out, but he doesn't get to actually go on track, and that sucks. We didn't get his roll bar in. We got his car most of the way done. We got a lot done on the Corvette, got a lot done on the truck, loaded up the tire machine and everything, which hasn't been done in a long time. We got a lot done. We're gonna go have fun today. I'm excited. The car makes a bunch of power. We're going to drive on a brand new kart track style road course track thing that Riverside and their investors and stuff just had poured for us, and it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. As long as I don't have to bog second gear too hard. That's the only thing I worry about, is like maybe I need shorter gears because second gear's so tall. We'll find that out today. We'll find that out today. So we'll see you guys at the track. We made it to the track, and I'm gonna grab my sunglasses because it's brighter than hell out. But about to do the driver's meeting in like 5 minutes. I actually got here kind of late. I do get to pit up by the front because I brought the tire changer. I'm the only one with the tire changer here at this event, so that's clutch. I don't have time to unload the car. I'm pretty much just gonna go straight down to the driver's meeting, and I'll see you guys there.
Shit, don't just pin it, because you're gonna start peeling the top coat off of it. Like, as long as you're moving, it's fine, but if you spin around, don't just lay into it, blow a bunch of smoke and burn the top coat off. Just let it out, turn around, keep going.
That's like a one warning type of thing.
Yeah, that's one warning, because you will pit the this thing in no time. And like, our initial budget for this was 28 grand, and we're 64 in like what's here. So it's not expensive to fix. Other thing on that is, what's here right now is phase 1 of 3. So we're gonna add to that side to the trees. It'll go out over there and down, and then we're gonna add going between us and where you guys are pitted. That's all gonna get added on too. We just gotta do it in phases because we kind of ran out of money. Other than that, if you do go off track, don't like roost your and pull back up on track, because it'll chip away at the edge and you get dirt all over everything, and nobody wants to wait for it to blow it off. Yeah, and we seeded it all, but we know it's gonna get messed up. If you go off a bunch in one spot, we're
track is hard. That first and second turn, I just can't even link it. It's like just exactly what I was afraid of. I knew when I walked the gravel before they even poured the pavement, I said my second gear is going to bog too hard and I'm not going to be able to pull the first and second turns together. And guess what? I literally just told her to watch her mouth right before I hit record on this camera. Jesus. I love you.
I love you.
It is hard. It is hard. I was struggling. And then there's like a cone in the middle of the track that I had to like drive around, and so I couldn't even like try to link a lap there at the end, so I just pulled off. But we'll go back out there. I'll try to do some like helmet and foot cam picture-in-picture stuff whenever I go back out. It's a really, like where I pitted so that I could have power for the tire machine is really far away from the track. So I'll go down there and get some footage of other people later, but like not right now. Or I could just fly the drone down there.
Put
there's another drivers meeting for the competition, and man, thank God we don't have to link those first 2 turns for the comp this time. And if they want us to do that next time, I'm gonna have to put some gears in the car. Preferably we just won't do that because I don't want to spend $1,000 or $1,200 or whatever it is for gears. I gotta get to the drivers meeting. Yellow.
He's got one of them LS Juans.
LS Juan. Qualifying's about to start. There's like 40 freaking drivers qualifying and they're only doing a top 16.
Yeah, there's so many people.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. So it's gonna be pretty hard to qualify, I think, especially because they took the hard part of the track out of the qualifying equation and competition equation altogether. So it is gonna be a tough break to get into the top 16. And like, I haven't driven consistently in years, so it's gonna be extra hard for me at this point, I think. But I'll record everything from my point of view. I think Justin's got the camera rolling for the rest of it. We'll see you guys out on track. This is qualifying lap number 1 here in a second. Hopefully it's my last qualifying lap, but we'll find out how that goes. Up next.
Jimmy Dundee up for the bat.
Swinging for left field. Whole track turns left. That's what he's good at. Ooh, clutch kick. This will be qualifying run numero dos. I didn't get top 10 my first one, obviously. It wasn't a very good run. I don't know if you guys could tell on the camera, but I dropped both front tires on different parts of the track. And when I dropped my front right, it was like really bad. But we're just gonna try to stay on pavement this time and see if that won't do it for us. That felt really good. That felt really good. That felt spicy, and I kept it on pavement, and I launched it out of that back turn real good. That felt good. It is blistering hot out here, and I don't know if I mentioned yet, I don't think so. The hose that I ran to my radiators for the sprayer system was ran under the car with P-clamps and stuff, and I went off track and busted the hose, so now I don't have radiator sprayers, so the car like starts warming up a whole lot after like 2 laps, so that sucks. So now I can't hot lap like I was earlier, just spraying it while I was running down the straight. Big sad, but live and learn. I'll run it through the car next time. Might go home and grab some more line and run it tonight. I also didn't record very much because I'm an idiot and I knocked one of my GoPros off and I forgot to record on the other one. I'm sorry. That's my water sprayers for my tire.
Okay, so we don't have to ask everybody if their coolant is overflowing now.
Oh, that's me, sorry.
I just see like strips of water and I'm like, somebody's dripping.
It's spraying my radiator too.
Down, I was
Okay.
like, oh fuck, here
Go
he
for
is.
it.